Tonight I'm going to attempt to make some blackened catfish, and I'm also going to be making a spicy cream sauce as a topping, and we'll see how this comes out. Right now I've got these two nice sized fillets. They're bigger than my hand, longer, and got them soaking right now, and I'm going to put the spices on them in just a second. I'm going to use some of this Old Bay blackened seasoning because my other Tony's blackened seasoning is MIA. I'm going to use some of this Old Bay regular seasoning. Probably some of this because I like to put this on everything. And I'm going to use some of this. If y'all don't remember, this is the spices that I won from Sherry McMillan on her giveaway. So yeah, so I think it's going to be good. And then for the cream sauce, I'm going to use Crystal. If you haven't tried this, try this. We're very reasonable, and in my opinion, tastes pretty dang good. Better than Tabasco or Louisiana brand or whatever. This one, Crystal. The first time I ever had it was on Bourbon Street in New Orleans. Put that and some cream. So I'm going to mix those two together to make the spicy creamy sauce for the topping. And I'll get back with you in a second. Hey guys, I've got my seasoned catfish fillets over here, cooking in half a stick of butter. You can tell that by the coloring, they're going to be nice and spicy. Blackened catfish, just like it's supposed to be. And for my sauce, I know some of you are going to hate me for this because you don't like mushrooms, but I'm putting mushrooms in my sauce. So here, I put in let me see the other side. It was a 1/3 cup of heavy cream and a 1/4 cup of the Crystal hot sauce. And I'm putting that in, can cook that in with the mushrooms. That's going to be a nice, very nice topping for a blackened catfish, in my opinion. Because this, believe it or not, this tastes so good. The first time I had a sauce that was made like this was at this restaurant on Bourbon Street called Dickie Brennan, and I had I think it was beef medallions, and they had this spicy cream sauce on them, and I had sauteed mushrooms on the side, but that's why I'm going to just put it in here because I think it's going to be a good mix. But I asked them what was in the sauce because it was intriguing, completely different than anything else I had ever had on like a little filet mignon or whatever. But they said it was just cream, heavy cream, and Crystal sauce. And I tried it the other day, the sauce that is, not the fish with the sauce. But I had tried it on some chicken, and I tried it in some sirloin that I had cooked. Put the sauce on top, and it was good, and it reminded me of that one in New Orleans a long time ago. But over here, let's check on these. Oh yeah. Oh no. Don't break on me. Shouldn't have flipped that yet. Oh well. I gotta get a better spatula so I can flip these things better. This one's got flimsy on me. So I'm about to flip these, and then I'll get back with you in a sec. And here we go. Look at this. Nice and blackened catfish. I'll say that looks so good. I've never had it come out this good, coloring and everything. Really good. Look at that. Blackened catfish. And my topping. I'm gonna put it on there. Look at that. Spicy Cajun mushroom topping over a perfectly blackened catfish. And just for kicks, I'm going to cut into mine and have a bite. Oh, so good. Oh, look, it just, yeah, that's like perfectly cooked. That is right. This topping, so good. This tastes like the Pappadeaux, I swear. But hope you like the video, and if you try this recipe, you will love it. Oh, by the way, I think you need to blacken the fillets like anywhere between 5 and 7 minutes on each side, depending on how big your catfish fillets are. As you can see, this is a full-size plate, and this one is pretty big. This one is too. So please like, share, comment below. Thank you.